There is a massive change underway in the way the internet identifies browsers and devices visiting your website or viewing your ads. Google is attempting to redefine the internet standard that has enabled the mobile web and ad tech industries since their inception. Instead of using the user agent string to identify devices and browsers, Google is shifting to a new approach called client hints. The industry's leading device detection solution, WURFL, has adapted its architecture to accept client hints. Client hints are now supported as yet another input that helps to detect a device and all of its capabilities. Today's headline is WURFL is ready to automatically accept client hints. We are ready for the timeline Google has laid out, so you can expect the same level of accuracy and access to hundreds of device capabilities that are valuable to your business's use cases. So what is new? Google has introduced several new client hints called user agent client hints. Google's plan is that over the next year, they will freeze the user agent string coming from Chrome and replace it with these new user agent client hints. The desktop Chrome browser will migrate to client hints and freeze user agent strings in September of 2022. The mobile Chrome browser will follow a little bit later, freezing in January of 2023. Undoubtedly, there will be changes in Google's plan. There are many dependencies and other ecosystem players who might throw the plan into contention. But at the end of the day, WURFL's architecture is already working with client hints. So regardless of the changes to this timeline, WURFL customers are ready to start using user agent client hints. What should device detection users do now? Well, first, turn on or opt in to receive user agent client hints on their servers. We recommend that users configure their servers to request all of the user agent client hints. Next, delegate user agent client hints using permission policies, and then start feeding them into WURFL. If you are already a WURFL customer, go to mysensiamobile.com and download the latest WURFL API. After installing the latest WURFL API release, the change is automatic as long as you pass the full HTTP request to WURFL. WURFL will analyze both user agent strings and the user agent client hints and devise the best strategy to detect the make and model of the device. From a user's perspective, not much has changed. You give WURFL the HTTP request and WURFL will return the device information. You won't need to worry about whether the user agent string is frozen or not. The WURFL API will figure that out for you and use the client hints if available. At the end of the day, you can continue to receive the same accuracy, performance, innovation, and support from WURFL and Scientia Mobile. If you have any questions, feel free to contact your salesperson or email us directly at sales@scientiamobile.com.